Maryland, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia are all part of the Southern Colonies. The Southern's primary cash crop was tobacco. It was grown in Maryland, Virginia, and North Carolina. The Southern Colonies needed slaves because they grew tobacco, and if they didn't pick the tobacco when it was ready, it would go bad and lose them a lot of money. The slaves were also really smart, because since they couldn't read or write about escaping, they would sing about escaping. The Southern Colonies had short, mild winters, long, warm summers, and had the most fertile soil in the coastal plains.
The Southern Colonies specialized in cotton farming. They traded it for other things. Livestock was in the mid-Atlantic and cotton was in the south. They traded back and forth. Farmers/plantation owners grew tons of crops to sell and feed their families. The Southern Colonies had rich soil, unlike the other colonies which had worse soil. Plantation owners were very wealthy because they owned the farm, which made money for them. Slaves were poor because they didn't get any money. They worked for free.